Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, we have been working on a single indicator named MST iCore 2.0 Advanced Price Action Based Indicator. You may be asking why this person is always emphasizing on a single indicator instead of teaching some other technology. See, our ultimate aim is not learning everything, but making profit and making a consistent profit will be our ultimate aim. To solve this issue, what I have done, I have just developed this indicator which will give you buy zone and sell zone once the market has opened. You don't think that today only this person has got a wonderful entry, that's why he is showing the videos. It is not so. See what we are supposed to do. See here, go to the indicator settings and remove this. I am removing this. Then go to the indicator, then select the invite only option in the indicator model. Then select MST iCore 2.0 which is given to you. Okay. So by default, I am not going to do any changes. I am going to keep it in a reset settings. So once market has opened, either we will be getting buy activated or sell activated. If buy activated, there will be no sell. If sell activated, there will be no buy. If a sell hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. What is meant by reversal entry? Suppose say today sell got activated. Instead of giving the target, if it is going towards the buy side, it is becoming a bullish side, then our sell entry will be SL. SL will be hit. If SL hit, we are not going to sit on the same side to see more profit. Instead of that, once it is reaching our stop loss, from there we are going to reverse our trade, which means if first we have taken the sell entry, before it is giving the target, if it is giving the SL, that is loss, we have to cut the loss, then we have to take the second buy entry. For the second buy entry, the first sell will be the stop loss. For the first buy entry, the second sell will be the stop loss. Similarly, for the first sell, the second buy will be the stop loss. Similarly, for the second sell, the first buy will be the stop loss. Okay. So both are interlinked. So this is for today I am showing you. You may ask what happened yesterday in the budget day. See here in budget day what happened. Since morning the market was in a bearish mode and exactly it has fallen and it has reached our buy zone. From the buy zone, see how the magical has happened. From the buy zone it has reversed to our MGR level and we got the entry. We got the entry accurately and we got the target accurately and exactly. After that our second sell activated. There also we got the target hit. Then there was one sideway market. Then in the late noon way, in the noon time, we got our second sell activated. Again, all the targets has been hit. Here also one second sell activated. Again, targets hit. So this has happened yesterday. What about the previous day? First sell activated. Here target hit. What about the previous day? Buy activated. Target hit. I can keep on showing you every day's performance. Every day we can release the video, but due to our personal trade and personal work, we could not release the video continuously like we were releasing before. So now let me show you one sample. Okay, the one sample itself enough to trust on our indicator. And you may ask us why you are blindly trusting the indicator and blindly trading on a single script. See, our ultimate aim is not to trade in all the scripts available in the NSE market, but to make the profit consistently is our ultimate aim. So that is why I have selected BANKNIFTY, Nifty and Crudeoil. In these three, we are continuously trading. Whether we make profit or loss, we don't bother. We will trade continuously so that we will get more profit than the loss. So let me show you by replaying the market, and today's date is 24 July 2027. See, I will keep it in normal speed so that you may understand what will happen. So now the market is going to start. Assume that market is at 9:15 and immediately our entry got activated and target hit. Since I have kept in 5 minutes time frame, you may not see the multiple number of candles, so that I will keep it in the 30 seconds. I will keep it in the 30 seconds and I will run the market. See here at around 9:20 something, our buy zone and sell zone is formed. Here it is 9:18 itself it is formed, and exactly our sell entry got activated at 9:35. And here you could notice we have got one wonderful bearish R3C. And from there, suppose if you are an option buyer, what you have to do, the sell entry is at 51,931 and the high made is 51,937. It is so perfect entry. Okay, then we are supposed to take 51,900 put option buy, otherwise 52,100 put option buy. So depending upon your investment capacity, you can buy the options. And after that, all our targets hit and it has come down to our buy zone. Almost it is reaching our buy zone. So as I told you, if buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. Only if SL hit, we have to reverse the entry. Otherwise, we have to be in the same side where whatever it is activated first. So now I am going to increase the speed to save your time and my time. Sell activated, it has come down to our buy zone. Again it has reversed it, then it has touched our sell zone. Once again it is coming down. So now once sell or buy is activated, what we are supposed to do, go to the settings of the indicator, scroll down. Since buy activated, since sell activated, I am going to remove the first buy entry and I will enable the first sell target. I will enable second buy targets. Here I will enable the extra targets, like I can enable 1, 2, 3, 4 something. So up to 8 targets we have given here. So if you want to know more extra targets, you can add it according to your wish. So now I have enabled up to 8 targets. Here I will enable DTP also, that is the top midpoint. So now you can see what has happened. See here, I have kept in 30 seconds. So it is clearly showing you, first we got sell activated, almost 3 targets hit, again sell activated, first target, second target, third target, fourth target, fifth target, and sixth target is going to touch now. I will just increase the speed. Sixth target is hit, seventh target is hit, exactly it is hit. So from the top to bottom we have captured using our MSTI iCore 2.0. That is the beauty of our indicator. If you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel and indicator, immediately subscribe to Telegram channel as well as YouTube channel, also to our indicator. We are giving now this ultimate indicator for unlimited lifetime validity. Earlier we were giving only for the 5 years. Now we have got extra permission from the trading view, so that we are giving you unlimited lifetime validity. Whoever wants to grab this offer, you can contact us on the given number 9500009154. We will be giving you chat support for lifetime. Okay, only on extraordinary circumstance please call us, otherwise please don't call and disturb, because we will be attending more number of calls from the customers. So that is why we are requesting you not to disturb through phone call, because one person is calling and asking us, they will take minimum 30 minutes of our time. So during that period we will be attending many customers. So that is why we are telling, please do not disturb just by calling. And if you have any queries, please watch the video. If you don't know how to use our indicator, watch this video again and again. Everything I have explained very clearly. So once buy or sell, once market is open, we will be getting buy zone and sell zone. If the market is going near to our buy zone, we have to take the call option buy, otherwise put option sell. If the market is going to sell side first, we have to buy put option, otherwise we have to sell call option. Whichever side gets activated first, that side we have to trade, other side we have to ignore. You can trade in any script whichever you like, but you have to trade on that script every day continuously, so that you will get consistent profit. Don't change the script every day as per your wish. Today if you are trading Nifty, tomorrow you will be trading BANKNIFTY. That kind of changes should not happen. You have to keep on trading on the same script, and you have to keep trading on the same script every day so that you will be getting more profit than the loss, and you will understand the movement of such a script. Hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, please reach to us. We will be happy to help you all. Thank you all. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead. Bye bye.